please don't tell anyone. And I decided to do this option on my.
But
Asalaamu calaykum waraxmatullaahi wabarakaatu. Waa idin wada salaamay dhammaan akhyaarta meesha ku jirta iyo kuwa aan ku jirin meel walba waa joogtiin. Waxayna leeyahay habeenimo wanaagsan. Videogan si emergency amalan ku furooyaa. Waxaa ka horeeyay video Imaan Amiin ani iyo Anaya Anayana iyo xiistay. Waxaan damacsanahay videogaas kadib ayaan rabaa inaan meesha fariisiyo oo ayada inaan ka waalo. Muddo ugu dambeysay inaan qof madax ka gala ama baraka ku sameeyo. Maanta waan barweena Anaya inaan ka gashan kara iyo in kale. Anyway, adiga waxaan sameynaa markaan soo fariisano FM-ka aan madax ugu gali lahaa meesha ka arkaysin haduu ilaahay idmo. Yes. Anaya qora.
hi, enjoy habada.
Qorda. Enjoyada. Habadeeda waaye.
Habada.
Boqordeeda waaye.
I can't say this.
Enjoyadeeda waaye.
Meaning?
All meaning same. Habada boqorada enjoy all same.
Then I say one thing, enjoy.
Enjoy. Anaya qora. Anaya. I really miss you, Allah.
Iman, I miss you, Nari.
Not Iman. Why you say to me Iman? It's not Iman.
I say Iman, I miss you, dear. You.
Don't say me Iman.
I
am
don't say
not
Iman. I don't say Iman. I say I miss you, Iman, so much.
Really? Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waa idin wada salaamnay dhammaan akhyaarta meesha ku jirto. Eko aan ku jirin meel walba aad joogtiin walba aad waxaan idin leenahay.
Galab wanaagsan.
You liar, it's not galab.
Isa wanaagsan.
No.
Habeen wanaagsan.
Yes, habeen wanaagsan. Mashallah. Waa sheegtiga enjoy.
Thank you.
Anaya, you know, I want to tell you something.
Yes.
Before like 2 days ago, I wasn't there with the team.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I wasn't there with the team. I was making my own video.
Yeah.
So I went outside
What
doing.
happened?
I went outside. You know, everything. You know. They, me and my younger brother Iman. And you know, Amina also made me mistake. And then I got angry to them and left out of the team. Since that weeks, I became like lonely. I don't know how to do things, you know. I got stressed. Even I forgot doing myself, you know, my haircut became like zivni. So now we agree, me and Iman.
Yeah.
Last night.
Yes, I know you and Iman. They be friends.
Yes, we became friends again.
Yeah.
So now,
Then?
and when I come back, I saw the home. You know, when I come back to the home, no one give me a good face. All the brothers and all the team when
They
I
don't
come.
give you one.
Yeah, they don't give.
Like Mohammed, you know, he happy. Mohan, enjoy. Sorry, man. Amina, my mommy, you know.
Yeah, even your mama, mama, you know, didn't show me a nice face. She like when she look at to me like, she said like to me, I don't know what's wrong with these people. So I decided. I decided to leave the team again because I cannot stay here. I want to leave. I want to enjoy me down lonely because these people, they show when they make the video with that YouTube, they act like happiness and they are trying to show me some happiness like that. When in reality, they behave me like bad.
No, you know, uncle, you know, when we come, you know, Iman, he say, we to enjoy this, we make like parent videos, challenge like that we make. No, you know, then why they say no, Iman? This is like, enjoy, come back, then we do this.
No.
And you think like that?
No, I decided to leave because, you know, there is a lot of problems that you can't see, really, Anaya, because I know you are young and you don't know nothing about the big menace and the people. So they show me a bad faces. Wallahi. Anytime we make the video and prank is like that, just they act like blah blah blah, but I enjoy it. When we finish, when I come to home, like something you hate. When something you don't want to see his face, what do? Tell me.
Then talk.
Yes. They don't talk to me even like that.
Uncle, but sometimes they even busy, they have editing like that. When there is something in the busy, then but every time I go with you, I see they say Iman, Muhammad, everyone say hi, enjoy, how are you?
No.
And how Uncle respond this part?
Even last night when I come to home, I wanted to play the game.
Yeah.
And Iman refused me. This game you don't know. Please leave. Don't play. This is new.
Maybe
Why he say to me like that?
Maybe
Because he don't want to stay with him his home. So now, all in all, and I am telling you the truth. It's because I'm telling you this time is I wanna live. I love you and you respect me as an uncle and you are my daughter also. But the truth is, these people I cannot stay with them.
But
I have to live.
But
I'm the only one who tell you this time.
But
You are the only
who Iman that time maybe he angry maybe he want to play and you come then maybe he angry every time even I tell sometimes I say he angry he angry after that again must he say everyone sorry everyone like that even sometimes I angry when
I know this is but
everyone nature like that everyone nature different like some good they angry some so much bad some good like us good nature everyone
I know people
some
have different natures.
natures.
But those natures I never seen them before. They only change it. I am wondering, and also there is another problem.
Even they love you when they come here.
And there is another problem that I wanted to leave is that my heart is broken from that house. So anytime I come to that place, I feel pain. I remember something, so I don't want to stay here too longer because I feel pain inside. When I ever come to that house, I feel so many pain because it broke my heart to that place. I'm still broken. You feel me? I'm trying to smile and laugh, but I can't. I feel pain inside. So that's why Anaya, please don't tell anyone. And I decided to do this option on my.
But how you go that team? You say that they are they're so good Iman. When you come that time before like when you come before the morning. Sorry, when we go there, you come like Iman said we do this. When you come, how good to celebrate you. We celebrate you. Iman, he happy. Muhammad, Joya, Amina, even she so happy for you. See you come back. And why you leave the team? I say team so good. How do you live in a good team, And people even ask then where's Iman, Most people ask, You say,
I have to leave.
But
leave.
You come, you start the team first. You are the leader and you live then the team even everyone live then. So you are the leader. You first come the team, then everyone join. But you leave the team, then everyone leave. Like Muhammad, Joya, Muhammad, Iman, Moha, my mommy, Amina, everyone leave. You are the leader, and then who would be the
I'm
leader?
not leader.
You are
I'm not
leader, It's first you come, then the team members come first. Amina, Iman, Joya, like that. Then you leave the team, then all the team then leave everyone. And how this? And we are YouTubers, We want to we are sister and brother side, right?
I was wondering how to try to make me stay here. Wallahi. You are so good, Wallahi.
What is this prank?
Yes. Come on, Anaya, please. Anaya, please. Don't go.
I'm scared, you know.
Please, don't miskin, Wallahi. Anaya.
This bad prank, you know.
Anaya, enjoy. Anaya, enjoy. Like a
Yes,
guest.
I do video prank, man. Bad prank.
It was a prank that I told my people first time I come here and make video with Iman Anaya. Then I opened it already. This video I said I will make Anaya like this. What did she say to me?
Why you doing me bad prank, you know?
but
Then
like-
I angry with you. Really?
Don't be angry. It was just a prank. I was just trying and
Two
seeing your
times you do
reaction.
with me prank.
Only today only.
Ah?
When?
Before when I come first time, then
First
you
time
get
it was
anyone.
you, mama, not you.
You do with me. Then after that now you do. Two times you do and I do even one time no real.
No, you really made me, twice times. Even you twice times. Remember?
Huh?
The day in your house, you shoot your mama like this, I want to leave the team like that. And the second time, your mama has corona and you never tell me. So this one a revenge.
This not so much, you know. This like simple prank and you do big prank. You want to leave?
Anaya, I'm so sorry. Forgive me. It was just like I just want to see your reaction. How you make me more enjoyer if I leave the team. How can I leave?
Now you leave the team, then I'm so happy.
Why? So you want to leave right now? No, I want to stay. Anaya, please forgive me.
No, I not give you. This time I not give you.
Okay.
Before even I give you one time. This time no.
Okay, do you have a powerful to revenge this prank? If you have the ability of that,
Yeah, I have.
but it's okay. Then never forgive me. Okay? I will, yes, I want to see you revenge. If you are
Then
powerful,
even I take your bad ribbons, okay?
I am ready. But you can't not make me. You just tell me right now. I have to be attention.
Attention.
Yes. You trick on me.
You don't know me.
Anyway, enjoy. Why? Betridan waana gadamasa. Anaya waa ka gashti oo jeedin. Waa markii ugu horeysay Anaya aan kaligeeda aan ka gashanayo. I am happy. This is the first time I make prank with Anaya.
First, no. Before even he make with me 2 pranks. And I make with him 2 pranks. Now I 4, 5, 1 million, trillion I make with you prank.
Enjoy ata abirka sana isku saxayay. Tell them to bye.
मुल्खार के गुरु महानी दिन देंगा बस को आसमान इंसान
Bye. Oh Anaya markal so arsanis. Yes.